Good morning, student. Today we are going to start solving next question. In that, trade discount is given. Okay, and the question number is 6. Okay, beta? Question number is 6. In this question, the trade discount and least price, these 2 points is coming, will come. Trade discount and list price. If in question list price is given, then we are going to present everything on his main price. Okay, beta? On his main price. Just make the pro forma. Journal pro forma. Date, particular, LF, amount debit, amount credit. Okay, now we are going to start for transactions. Before that, again I like to clear, list price means we are going to show the transaction after the deducting of trade discount, because in trade discount, in the case of trade discount, we are not going to show the trade discount. We are only showing what, beta? We are showing after the deducting of discount, trade discount, we are going to show the amount. Okay, so just go for the first. Purchase goods from Ghanshyam to the list price of 50,000, 15% trade discount. Okay, so purchase, then purchase account debit to Ghanshyam, goods purchase to Ghanshyam with a trade discount 15%. Okay, and its date is January, all the Jan only. Okay, Jan 10. Total transaction of 15,000 less transaction for 15,000 less 15% trade discount means 5,000, 15%, 7,500, it means 42,500, 42,500. Clear it? 7,500 less from 50,000. Okay, go for the next. 11 Jan. Received return goods to Ghanshyam of the list price of 2,000. We are going to return. It means purchase return, just opposite. Ghanshyam debit to purchase return. Goods return to Ghanshyam 2,000. The list price is 2,000, but we are going to show here that less trade discount also. After the deducting of trade discount, we are going to show the money. Okay, beta, the 2,000 less 15%, it means 300. Remaining amount is 1,700 and 1,700. Okay, clear? Now go for the next. Paid to Ghanshyam rupees 40,000 in the full settlement of account. We are going to pay only 40,000 after full settlement. The entry is Ghanshyam debit to cash. Okay, just check how much amount we have to give the Ghanshyam. We are going to purchase for 14,000. 500, 1700 return, it means 40,800. We have to pay 40,800, but we are only paying 40,000 beta. It means discount account is 800. Okay? Paid to Ghanshyam. Okay? Clear? Clear or no beta? Clear? This amount we are going to sell, purchase. So it means 42,500 we have to pay, but 1,700 we are going to return. It means remaining amount is 40,800. Okay, beta? 40,800. Clear? And then we are only paying 40,000. It means 800 is what? Discount. And date is 15, 13 and 15. Okay, next. After this, next is purchase goods from Raghu of the list price of 60,000 at 10% trade discount. Same way, only name is changed. Purchase account David Raghu. Goods purchase from Raghu. 60,000, 10% discount, it means 54,000. 60,000 less 6,000, 10% discount, and date is 20. Okay, clear? Next, again, return goods to Raghu, list price 5,000. It means again Raghu account David, Raghu David to purchase return goods return to Raghu 5,000, 10% discount, it means 4,500. Okay, beta? 4,500. Okay? Then one more entry is left. We are going to make very small. Next is paid cash to Raghu 49,000 of full settlement. It means Raghu David to cash to discount because 54,000 purchase of 54,000 less 4,500, it means 49,500. We have to pay the 49,500, but only we are paying 49,000. It means 5,000 is what? Discount. Cash paid and discount receipt. Okay, clear? Then totaling, and total amount is 42,000, 40,000, 40,000, 80,000, 80,000 and 5,000, 1 lakh, 30,000, 1 lakh, 32,000, 1 lakh, 33,000, 1 lakh, 37,000, 1 lakh, 41,000, 1 lakh, 42,000, 1 lakh, 43,500, 1 lakh, 43,500, 1 lakh, 43,500, then 1 lakh, 43,500, 0, 3, 1,93,000. Okay, 1,93,000. Clear? 1,93,000. Clear, beta? How to do the entries? In the case of trade discount with the list price. Clear, beta? Okay. Rub the board and go for the next question. In this question we are only taking the purchase, and in next question we are going to take the sell only. When we are going to sold with the trade discount or on the basis of list price, how we are going to do the entries or transactions. So the all transactions or all entry in the book of original account in journal. In next question we are going to see that. Okay, beta? Okay, just see question number 7. Sold goods to Mohan of the list price of rupees 2 lakh at a trade discount of 20%. Trade discount of 20%, 2 lakh. We are going to sold to whom? Mohan. Make the pro forma. Okay. Okay, go for the next. First is sold goods to Mohan of the list price of 2 lakh with the trade discount of 20%. Less the trade discount actually. We are going to sell to Mohan. It means Mohan David to sells. The whole amount is 2 lakh, 20% trade discount, 40,000. It means 1,60,000 because trade discount directly less from the transaction or amount. Next, Mohan returns goods to the list price of 5,000. Return goods. It means sells return David to Mohan it's Mohan or Muskan? Let's see. Muskan or Mohan?
Muskan.
That name is beta Muskan. Name is Muskan. Okay, Muskan returned goods. $5,000 less 20% debt discount 1,000. It means 4,000. Okay, beta? Clear? It means 4,000. Then next, cash received from Muskan for full settlement with the cash discount of 4%. Then you are receiving the money. It means cash account David. You are giving the discount. Then discount account David to Muskan. Now first going to calculate what should pay by the Muskan. You are going to sell 1,60,000, 4,000 return. It means 1,50,000. 6,000 you should be received 4% discount. 1,56,000 into 4 upon 100. 0, 24, 4, 2, 2, 2, 6. It means in discount 62.40, and here 7, 9, 4, 1, 149, 760, 62.40. Okay. Now all amount is coming. All amount is coming, beta. Clear? How to do the entry or not? How to do the entry or not? Clear? Cash received from Muskan. Okay? Then totaling 160 and 160. 320. Clear? How to present the all entries? When the case of trade discount with the list price, this system we are going to follow. Okay, beta? Clear? Go for one more question. Okay? Ready for that? We are going to solve one more question. In this question, we are going to see mixing of all type of trade discount in sales and purchase both. Okay, beta? It's a mix. Just see question number 8. Brought goods forecast of the list price of 80,000 at a trade discount and 2.5% cash discount. Both is given, beta. Okay? It's 80,000. Okay? Now make the pro forma. Okay, first date is March 1. Okay. Brought goods for cash for the list price of 80,000, 10% trade discount and 2.5% cash discount. Brought means purchase. Then purchase account, debit to, cash to, discount, because we are going to pay in cash with the discount 80,000 purchase, beta. Okay, 10% discount, it means less 10%, then 72,000. Clear? 80,000 less 8,000, then 2.5%. 2.5%. 1,800 in discount. Okay, then 2, 5, 0 and 7. 70,200 in cash. Okay, cash received in कैश पेड बेटा, नो रिसीव, पेड in goods purchase. Okay, first is clear beta. We are showing both. First we are going to less the trade discount, and after that we are going to less the cash discount. Next, sold goods for cash of the list price of 1,10,000, 15% trade discount and 3% cash discount, sales here. Okay, then we are receiving cash, then cash account debit, discount account debit because we are paying, we are giving the discount, and sales. Okay beta, it's clear or not? Sales always credit, we are receiving cash so debit, we are giving the discount so credit. 1 lakh 15% trade discount, 1 lakh less 15%, then 85,000. Okay beta, 85,000 and 3% discount, 3% only. 5 into 3 15, 1 8 3 25, 24 1 30 25, 54 2 8, 82,450. Good sold and cash received with discount are allowed discount. Okay, clear? Next, sold goods to Nigal to the list price of 50,000 at 20% trade discount. What is the name is given? Name is
Nagal.
huh?
Nagal.
Nigal.
Nagal.
Okay. Then sold goes to Nigal. It means Nigal debit to sales again. Nigal debit to sell. Good sold to Nigal. Amount is beta. Amount is 50,000 at 20% trade discount. 50,000, 20% less than 40,000. Clear? 40,000. Then next, Nigal received 1/3 of these goods. Return 1/3. 1/3 return means sales return debit to Nigal. Goods returned by Nigal and amount of return is 1/3. 1/3 means sorry 1/4. 1/4 means 10,000. Clear? Now I'm going for the last. Okay, clear or not? Clear beta? Then Nigal's received the amount, is paying an account with the discount of 5%. Okay beta? Settlement with the discount of 5%. It means cash account debit, discount account debit, Nigam. It means we needed 30,000 beta. 5% discount means 1,500. It means 28,500 we are going to receive. 28,500 we are going to receive, and total is 70,000, 150, 190, 2 lakh, 2 lakh 30,000, 2 lakh 37,000. Okay. 2 lakh 37,000, 2 lakh 37,000. Okay, beta, clear? How to solve the question? How to do the entries? Clear or not? Clear? Okay. Thank you.